Good morning, folks. Well, I'm up here in Pisgah Forest this morning. Dreary day, foggy, rainy, but still, it don't matter. It's a good day to be out. So, I'm really not up here to do anything today. What happened was when me and Christian went on to Art Loeb, when he left Bird Gap shelter, he left his glasses. And anybody who wears glasses knows what it's like not to have them. So I'm heading back in here. I live closer than he does. And I don't have to work, and he does. So I'm going back in here and see if I can find them. So I know they're not going to be any kind of views or anything today. So if I do see something, I'll bring it to you. Otherwise, it'll just be trail pictures. All right. Hey, everybody. Well, old mudslide right here happened. This ain't been too long ago here. Hey, everybody. Well, you can see what kind of day it is. It's just foggy, overcast. Other than water on the trail, I mean, the trail's not been that bad. Haven't encountered any kind of blowdowns or anything like that. Came across one, but trail maintenance has already been in here and took care of it, so that's a good thing. So maybe they're starting to get in here and take care of some of this damaged areas from the flood back a while back. In case I didn't say it, I started on the Cat Gap trail and currently on the Butter Gap, headed up to the shelter on the Art Loeb. So when we get there, I'll get back to you. Welcome back, everybody. Bar cables, if you can see them. We have arrived here at Butter Gap Shelter. Now, I will see if I can find Christian's glasses, and hopefully I can. Take me a little break and head out. Get out of this weather. A decent little campsite. Not much in the way of places to put your tent, but if you had a hammock, you could definitely do that. Or just take your chance in the shelter. I don't know why they don't keep these shelters up here. It just blows my mind the reason they don't. But man, it would be so much better if they would just repair these two shelters. So, all right, enough of that. So, looky here. Looky here. Okay, that was luck. So, I'm glad I found those. So, okay, I'm gonna get off here, take a break, and then we're gonna be heading that way. Welcome back, folks. Well, just about to the car. It's been a good day. Cleared off, the rain stopped. Sun tried to come out, but it didn't. But I want to thank y'all for being with me on this little journey, this little hunt for Christian's glasses, and I'm glad we found them. I want to thank my subscribers and everyone who watches my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I hope everyone has a great day, even though it is rainy. Maybe you can find something fun to do. So until next time, and as always, I'll see you on trail.